I'm going to talk about my project which I did at some company as part of the internship. Uh, Advancing text searching with advanced indexing techniques in healthcare applications. So basically, I tried to process the PDFs that were related with medical. It could be like something related with medical journal or any medical article that is related with that. So I have made this video available on YouTube also. So what I did, like basically what the tech stack I have used, I have implemented a RAG, that is retrieval answer generation system, right? And for this I have utilized an open source stack for the development. And for the core model, like for generation of the answers, I have used BioLLM, and for generation of the corresponding embeddings, I have used Clinical Bird. For vector database, I have used Quadrant as a self-hosted vector database, which is also open source. And for the frameworks, I have used LangChain and Llama CPP as an orchestration framework. And I have employed hybrid search technique to enhance accuracy and efficiency for the answers relevant to the query. And basically BM25 I have used, which is a hybrid technique, so which is like a combination of keyword search in collaboration with semantic search capabilities, so that the relevant answers can be retrieved accurately and with efficient manner. So let's proceed to the demo. So if you would see to the demo, so this is an example of the app, like medical document that is there, which is relevant, which is related with the cancer. So let's see like how the user interface would look like. So as you can see that this is a user interface in which like you can upload your PDF which is related with some medical domain. So it could be like your medical, any medical related journal or your reports, or in which it could have images also. So basically in this project I have tried to make my RAG model as multimodal, so that like if I'm putting the query and if there is corresponding image also relevant to that query, so in the chatbot interface the relevant like the text as well as the image corresponding to that particular query should be retrieved in a accurate and efficient manner. So here I have given, you can see that this is a PDF preview. You can, the user can also able to see the preview of the PDF that has been uploaded. And here you can see that you can ask your question about the PDF and you can get the relevant response along with some like relevant metadata. So for example, if I'm asking like, hey, what is cancer, because this doc was related with the cancer, this was the article or journal related with cancer. So it is displaying the answer: cancer is a group of disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in tissues and organs. And it is showing me the source document number also. It means like the page on which you would be able to like get the relevant things regarding with the cancer, and the name of the journal, and when it was published, and its volume and issue, and the author name also. Okay, and all the details would be displayed over here. Let's proceed. So, and to show you the demo like how the multimodal thing is working, so I'm skipping this part. So in this let me shift to the demo part directly. Yeah, suppose I have this medical document which you can see related with United States Department of Agriculture, which is showing some canine diseases that are frequently found in the dog, right? And you can see that there are some images which is depicting that this particular disease is being found, like gingivitis, which is related with that some kind of redness, inflammation at the gum line level, is like if this is a solution, this would be this disease would be called as gingivitis. Then there is tarta, then there's severe PD, and you can see that this document is very unstructured, right? And some data is in the form of tabular form, and this kind of scenario is happening. So let's see, like if I query about like what is gingivitis. So this is like another interface that I made, that was on Gradio. That was medical knowledge based query system, and you can see that this is a text box on which I can put the query. And here there is a box in which the top related image corresponding to that particular query, if there is existing, and the documents, so it would be also displayed. And all the extracted images, you can have a preview of all the extracted images in the form of gallery, whatever the documents you have like try to index, right? So here I have put this what is gingivitis, and you can see the exact statement that it is inflammation of the gums caused by tartar buildup, which is a result as a result of plaque formation along with the gum line. And you can see also the top related image with respect to this query has also been displayed in this box. Cool. And here I can show you that if you want to have a look at the vector database, this was my vector db, in which like I have tried to store some metadata, the page content, and the vectors. And it is open source alone, and it is like the entire application is based upon open source, except I used Gemini 1.5 because for storing of the summarization of the images, I made use of Gemini model 1.5 for image summarization. And the last 1 minute that I would like to talk about ViceDoc, right? So I think the project that the ViceDoc is doing, it is related somehow like the project I did earlier. It is also in relation with the like medical processing of the medical data and medical docs, right? So the challenges that we usually found that in the medical docs we have a lot of unstructured data. So if I'm dealing with the reports of the patients, and if I want to analyze this, like you would have some images like in your like medical docs, or you would have some tabular data in which like some things like you have this is like if you have like some parameter like hemoglobin, and this is the range of the hemoglobin, right? So in the tabular so it's very challenging. Basically the data that we found is very unstructured, right? To deal with the unstructured data, I would suggest like we can make use of like open source multimodals to store the summarization of those particular tabular data. So while I'm storing my tabular data, with the tabular data I can store it, I can index it in the form of CSV or JSON. So it would be, and along with along with the storing the metadata like this, it would be very useful to store the textual description related with the tabular data, so that my query, if there is a query related with the tabular data, it can be answered in a accurate manner or in an efficient manner. So this one would be like the strategy that I would try to include in the product of the ViceDoc. Multimodality and yeah, that's it. Thank you.